Beneath the calm blue waters north of Australia, a silent transformation is unfolding. An invisible network is being built that doesn't just watch the seas, it thinks, it listens, and it acts. For decades, Australia's vast maritime borders have been a challenge to protect. Millions of square kilometers of open ocean stretch between its shores and some of the most strategic and contested sea routes in the world. But now, that might be changing forever. Australia is building what defense analysts are calling a smart ocean defense system, a network of autonomous underwater drones, sonar grids, and AI linked patrol vessels designed to watch, detect, and defend, all without a single human on board. The story begins in the country's northern waters, a region filled with narrow sea choke points and critical trade routes. These are the same routes that connect Australia to Asia and the Pacific, and the same corridors where naval tensions have quietly escalated in recent years. Traditional defense systems like static sensors on the seabed or buoys drifting with the current could only see fragments of this underwater world. Australia needed something more, something alive, mobile, and intelligent. That's where Speartooth comes in, a next generation autonomous underwater drone developed by C2 Robotics. Imagine an 8-meter long machine, sleek, silent, and patient. It can sink to depths of 2,000 meters and stay there for weeks, even months, just listening and waiting. When it detects movement, a submarine, a foreign vessel, or even a disturbance in the water's pressure field, it wakes up. It surfaces quietly, transmits encrypted data to command centers, and slips back below without leaving a trace. What gives it that endurance is a hybrid lithium ion and diesel electric propulsion system that allows it to travel over 2,000 kilometers underwater. That's the distance from northern Australia to the Philippines on a single mission. And because it carries modular payloads, everything from sonar sensors to surveillance modules, it can adapt to any kind of operation. But even the smartest drone needs eyes and ears. That's where Thales Blue Sentry and Blue Seeker systems come in. These advanced sonar arrays can detect the faintest echoes in the ocean. Every propeller, every hull vibration, every sound wave leaves an acoustic signature, and the Blue Sentry network listens to it all. Think of it as an acoustic internet for the sea, constantly scanning, classifying, and sharing data across the entire defense grid. Above the waves, Austral's evolved Cape-class patrol boats play their part. These vessels act as surface guardians of the network. They can launch, retrieve, and reposition the Speartooth drones wherever they're needed most. Together, they form a living system, a mobile, self-learning ocean defense web that adapts as the situation changes. Unlike old-fashioned sonar buoys or static detectors, this one can move, hide, or even swarm in response to new threats. It's not just surveillance, it's strategy made autonomous. Australia isn't just building a defense system, it's building independence. For years, nations have depended on imported surveillance technologies, often controlled by their allies. But this network, developed by Thales Australia, C2 Robotics, and Austal, represents a new model. It's a sovereign defense capability designed and built on home soil, and it couldn't come at a more critical time. Across the Indo-Pacific, submarine activity is on the rise. China's expanding naval presence, regional rivalries, and deep-sea resource routes have made these waters the front line of silent competition. By combining AI, autonomy, and endurance, Australia is preparing for an era where undersea dominance could decide the balance of power. Defense researchers believe that one day this system could operate like an underwater neural network, each drone acting like a node, each sonar station like a sensor, all connected through encrypted channels to share intelligence instantly. It would be an invisible army that never sleeps, never tires, and never surfaces unless it has to. This is not science fiction anymore. It's already being tested, and soon it could turn the northern oceans into a living, breathing defense shield. What's unfolding beneath those waves isn't just surveillance, it's the next frontier of warfare, silent, autonomous, and unseen. Australia's underwater network is a reminder that the battle for the future won't just be fought in the skies or in cyberspace, It will be waged beneath the ocean, where machines listen, learn, and defend in absolute silence. If this glimpse into the future of defense technology fascinated you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dezhn, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us keep exploring the most advanced breakthroughs that are quietly reshaping the future of science, technology, and power.